Chakhokhbili. Fried chicken with tomatoes and spices. A main dish from Georgia. Serves
need
10
2.
ingredients. Step 1. Wash the chicken thoroughly and cut it into pieces. Wash it once more and put into a pot to stew. When it simmers, pour the juice into another pot. Add butter to the chicken and fry it all over until browned.
Step 2.
Pour the juice back into the pot with the chicken and add finely chopped tomatoes or tomato juice to it. 10 minutes later, add finely chopped herbs, salt, and pepper. Simmer the dish for 5 minutes more. Step 3. Serve immediately. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.